LandGlide app. So just tap get, and then this is like a parcel property boundary lines, the most advanced and comprehensive parcel data mobile app on the market. Is a using GPS to pinpoint your location, access key parcel data anywhere, hover over a property to instantly view details, search for properties by address or parcel numbers, save your favorites, add notes and export, access LandGlide on all your devices, access over 3.3 million parcel records across the New Zealand. I'm not sure actually if it's only for New Zealand or it's also for um, like more countries. This app is getting some traction. You can add notification and then see your location in real time next to the parcel data, and then that's basically the idea. And then you can start a 7-day free trial. Let's just try to create an account. Let's see if there is some freemium version in this app, and then while using the app, and then you can